never say. Oh, oh, baby, tell me how you do it, how you take a heart and bruise it, then turn and walk away. Crying in the morning, crying in the evening, wake up and repeat again. Everything is different now, but nothing seems to change. Summer's come and gone and I'm without you. Know I should move on, but I don't know how to. Give up now, tried 1,000 ways. Same heartbreak, different day. Baby, it's cold in California, but I'm sure it must be warmer for whoever's next to you. I'm still crying in the morning, crying in the evening, wake up and repeat again. Everything is different now, but nothing seems to change, to change. Summer's come and gone and I'm without you. Know I should move on, but I don't know how to. Give up now, tried 1,000 ways. Same heartbreak, different day. Same heartbreak, different day. Summer's come and gone, I'm still without you. I should be better, but I don't know how to. How to ever be okay. Every single moment's like the other. Someone tell me, how can I recover? Give up now, tried 1,000 ways. Same heartbreak, different day. Same heartbreak, different day. Same heartbreak, different day.
We start with our right foot, the first 2 8 count. Right foot step back diagonally and left foot touch, and then left foot shuffle, cha, cha, cha. And then we will pivot quarter turn left, step quarter, and then 3 count waving cross, followed by a point, so do the quad, side, behind, point, and then 2 left foot touch, touch, cross, and touch to the side, and then do another 4 count waving cross, quad, side, behind, side. Okay, this 2 8 count with the count. So right foot 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then the 3 count, we do the New Yorker cross, recover, side to shuffle, and then quarter turn, just box right with the cross, cross, turn, side, cross. Okay, the third section with the count, so left foot 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The fourth 8 count, first you do the multiply, Monterey quarter turn right, you do the point, turn, and left foot point, touch. Remember left is touch not together, and then start the left foot, do the diagonal forward, out, and left foot back shuffle, cha, cha, back. Okay, this 8 count with count, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, do from the top with count, so right foot 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And then for this dance, we have a tap and a waterfall. So at a waterfall, you will be facing the front, but anyway, we demo facing the back wall. The tap is starts the right foot, diagonal, back, touch, and then left foot forward, stomp, but no way on the right foot. And then right foot forward, touch, left foot back, stomp, and we stay on the left foot. And then let's end for the tap. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4,